everyone, Carol here with another Everspruce tips and tricks video. Today I want to talk about the 4 principles that you need to have the perfect home organization system. 1, it should be efficient. It should maximize the space around you. It should be able to declutter and organize your home very efficiently. 2, instant recall. You should be able to find and locate your items instantly. A good home organization system takes the frustration out of finding your items. 3, an easy, hassle-free system. If it's too complicated, too much work involved, you won't stick with the system. So it must be easy, hassle-free. 4, easy to group items together, either by function or the category of the items. A home organization system should allow you to group items together. So when creating the Everspruce app, I knew these 4 principles were essential to having the perfect home organization app. 1, efficiency. With the Everspruce app, you can put random items in a box. They don't need to go together. And that creates efficiency and maximizes space in your home. Instant recall. With the search feature, everything that you have logged into the Everspruce app, you can find it instantly. Easy input. With the batch mode, adding new items into the Everspruce app is so simple and fast. Grouping items. With the tagging feature, you are able to locate items that are similar but not necessarily stored in the same box. I hope this video was helpful for you to see the Everspruce app is really the perfect home organization system. Thanks for watching my Everspruce tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.